cartoon man, as happy as a clam. Neither here nor there, I'm a canvas for a haphazard hand. It's mighty strange, in a tapestry of colors, lines, and beams. No limit, no space, my meaning is up to your beliefs. And it's mighty strange. To my chagrin, I'm a victim of your pen. I can be your needs and your troubles, I'm only what you understand. But I'm lonely too, that world beyond, where reality responds. There is something more than a pastiche, where is it I belong? But it's up to you. Ooh, I do the numbers, but I'm not well. Ooh, I do the numbers, I'm not well. Distortion out of proportion, I just couldn't tell. I am the show, but you never throw a ball. You think you're clever, but you're a little on the nose. And it's mighty strange. These shadows watch me through windows. These vibrant colors smear the page with the thickest strokes. The makeup's running to clean it up alone. Oh, I do the numbers, but I'm not well. Oh, those pretty numbers, but I'm not well. The distortion out of proportion, I just couldn't tell. I'd rather just be caught in an endless daydream, stuck on this side of the cold. Another battle lost to my shadow, never quite get away. Thoughts trickle like drops on the windshield. Will I ever see? Will the ship sail by the time I unbag? Curtain reverie. Any second, get a little restless, put it all to bed. Tell me it's all in my head.